Welcome to Violeta Ink series All About. Today we are going to talk about B79. It's a blue, violet, purplish color, very intense. It does not have any other markers in the family. There's no B73, B75. So both are going to be bonus combinations. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we sell Copic markers, refills, nibs, and Prismacolor pencils. Thank you.
We are starting with B79. Right after it, remember, B79 does not have a family combination. It does have a family combination, but it doesn't have any B76 or B73. So we are using B66 on top and very slowly with B63. We're going to be underpainting with Y17. I know weird that a yellow is going to be able to underpaint such a strong blue as B79. But as you start with it, you will see that it does cover it. It does make it a little bit muddy, which is what we want when you want something to look far or farther than your other colors. On top of it, we're going with B66. And remember the speed. The first is the fastest, second, medium. The last one is going to be the slowest, so we can deposit as much ink as we can. This is B63. The bonus combination, I wanted it to be a little bit more, I don't want to say lilac, but like going that way. So we started with B79, B66, and on top of it, BV13. Yes, I do have a hard time saying the B's and the V's. So if one day I say something wrong is because, remember, English is my second language. So I had no problem finding a Prismacolor pencil that will match. Ultramarine PC902 is perfect. Love it. Um, you can go deeper or very light with it. So I will say that it does give you a little bit of the B66 and B63 combined. I mean, not combined, I mean, different levels of saturation, but very strong also to do B79. So now we're going to go to the butterfly. The butterfly, we start with B79. Remember, this is for you to be able to see right next to each other the difference when you use underpainting and when you do not use overpainting. I usually underpaint, but lately I've been playing more with my Prismacolor pencils, and you can actually overpaint. Um, I actually do overpaint all the time when I color, but together with the underpainting. So this was B79, B66, and B63. On the bottom, we're gonna do Y17, B79, B63, and B69 and B63. So a lot of people have problems with blending. Blending is a chemical reaction and is going to happen when you follow the speed. The speed is your first marker is going to be the fastest, Y17, let's say. The next one, B79, a little bit slower. B66, a little bit slower. And B63 or BV13, like in our bonus combination, is going to be the slowest. It's going to be the one that you go over maybe a few times and then let it go. Is not going to look blended that moment. Oh, it's going to look a little bit blended, but not completely. Let it go for a little bit. Maybe give it 2, 3 hours, maybe next day if you have time, and check if the blend is to your like. And if not, then go ahead and use again the lightest color. Don't go again with everything, only the lightest. And that is going to complete the blend. And you will be able to also see your flicks, and make sure that you are able to see your own problems, your own mistakes, because you will be able to see the flicks if there is not completely blended. Kind of like you see right now on the wing to the left, the upper left, which is with B79. I can see the flicks. Now it's a butterfly. It looks beautiful. I like it, but is that the look you're looking for? If it is, great. If it's not, then you can go over with it with the lightest marker again. Don't forget, we're going to have a live stream soon. I don't have the exact date because I'm still working on the cameras. Um, so you can ask any questions and I can answer you live, and I can actually show you. It's difficult for me to explain it when you cannot see what I'm doing, like on Facebook and all that, like typing. Um, this is all about B79. On the natural family combination, we have B79, B66, and B63. Underpainting with Y17. And the bonus combination is B79, B66, and BV13. We are working on our new it still doesn't have a name, but it's going to be an Easter theme coloring time. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing. Bye.